Okay, here we go. Starting the 7 Mile Bridge. This is heading north, is what they call north. We'll get to see Fred the tree. There is a fishing walking trail here out there to my left, which is the Gulf of Mexico side or the bay side, and then to the right is the Atlantic Ocean. That's where it ends. If I was trying to drive a drone, fly a drone out, I would have to fly it a mile, one mile, one direction, most likely into the wind and back. I would love to circle this tree. Of course, the high lines are right there by the tree. But you can see Fred the tree coming into view. And there he is. Looks like he's now got company. Not sure what that is. Moss covered something. Seven Mile Bridge. Don't you just love the color of the water? The color of the water is what makes to me, the Keys worthwhile. It's just gorgeous, especially if you combine that with palm trees. It is something else. But stick around. I'm going to film this 7 Mile Bridge. I'm going to turn around, film it the other direction, and then at the end I'll have a couple more bridges that I didn't film before the 7 Mile Bridge when I'm heading south, which I assume is really more like west. But here comes the highest part of the bridge to let the tall sailboats go under from the Atlantic to the Gulf. And vice versa. It's windy, so I hope the wind is not too bad on the mic. You can see always more traffic coming in to the lower Keys, to Key West, I assume, than going out, which I have not figured that out yet. Eventually they all got to leave, right? There's a view. There's a view. There's a lot of cops, not on the bridge, but there's a lot of cops, a lot of highway patrol and sheriff and cops running radar on US 1, so do not speed. driving down in the Keys. There's a little community right there on an island on its own. Remember, there's over 800 keys in the Florida Keys. That being one of them. I think you can take a little miniature train out there, or on wheels. I saw one when I came in with my RV. And boat, I think, so I don't think you can drive a car on that. I see a bike going down there, so an e-bike would be a way to go. But don't you just love the color of that water? Remember, it's 360, so you can look around either side you want, down, up. Few clouds in the sky. Basically a clear day, 90 degrees. The low last night was 80. Oh, look at that. That color to the right and the landing side right now is about as beautiful as you can get. Must be all singing under that. That'd be a long walk. That's 2 or 3 miles out to that little island. So here you go. This is where you'd park to go fishing out there. And let me see if I can find a place to turn around here. Look at that. That's beautiful too, that color out there. Like they got little pavilions. Is there no exit down here? There is not. All right. Well, I gave you a view of that, so let's go back here and go get back on the road. And this looks like an opening right here to me. All right, 55. Oh, look at the color of the water today. That's the prettiest I've seen it. Those colors. That is gorgeous. I hope you're soaking in the scenery. Video's coming up on 10 minutes. Hope to make this about 15. So stick around to see more of this beautiful color water. Again, this is a 7-mile bridge. US 1 Overseas Highway. There was our highway patrol. Again, always more traffic heading south or west, however you want to call it, towards Key West and leaving out. Of course, they got a pretty good stream leaving out right now, don't they? Pigeon Key is what that one's called, that little island. And here's the traffic jam. It's kind of hard to speed normally anyway. Just through the towns you see most of them, cops and stuff, but it's because so much traffic. This is a Thursday, by the way. It is, I think, the 8th of May. I'm retired, so, you know. I need one of those clocks a friend of mine got that goes, you know, it's got the 7 days a week the hand points to. That's the scenery coming off this tallest part of the bridge. Well, there's a key out there. I think there's a building on it. I don't know if you can purchase these keys or not. But remember, there's 350 miles of coral reef out there to the left. And it starts south of Miami, and then it runs past Key West 70 miles to the west. 350 miles in the all. Third largest coral reef in the world. We gotta keep those healthy. It's important to humans' health too, believe it or not. And Fred the tree is coming back into view again. There's a boat out there close by anyway. Fred the tree. Remember 360 video, so you can rotate your view. really do think I want my summer residence to be a houseboat. Not summer, winter, sorry. Summer I want to keep traveling in my RV, but wintertime I would love to live on a houseboat where it's warm. Well, it's going to be longer than 15 minutes because I want to, we're not off this 7-mile bridge yet, but I want to show you 2 more bridges, so it may be closer to 18 minutes. There's a little key out there. It's got a pier and buildings on it. Alright, we're coming up on the end of the 7-mile bridge, but again, there's 2 other bridges between me and the RV park, so hang in there. Still beautiful. A lot of fishing going on here. There's a place to launch the boat too, according to that sign. I guess right there. Okay. Little place to go down there and have picnics, fish, whatever you want to do. I assume you can fish there. Here's one of the bridges. There you go. And then there's one more. Oh, what the heck, I don't think I'm going to take you to the one after that even, so this will be more like 19, 20 minutes. Here's the bridge I was talking about. I was going to end it after this. That's my RV park over there. If you look close to the right, you'll see my RV. About 2/3 of the way out there. It's going to low tide. It will be there in about an hour or so. But I want to show you this. And that's the RV Park, Sunshine RV Resort. It's an Encore Park and also RPI Park. I want to show you this right here. This is Honda channel, because this starts Bay Honda Key right here, which I filmed a while ago, the state park. But if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.